Hello my favorite people, my name is Irina and I'm a licensed esthetician and certified makeup artist with about 8 years of experience already. Thank you for joining my channel. Today we are going to be talking about trends in makeup, but wearable trends in makeup. If this is something that you are interested in, please stay with me. What type of makeup was presented on fashion shows around the globe. Fashion Week was just around the corner in September for the spring, so we are doing wearable trends in makeup for the spring of 2018. There were a lot of trends that I don't think any of us will be doing even going out. For example, glossy eyelid or sequins eyelids or very thick eyeliner that's basically just covering all of the movable eyelid. Those are not wearable trends. Those are for somebody who are in fashion, who maybe works with fashion, but not for all of us. But the wearable trends are pretty much very easy to do. I actually chose them specifically for somebody who is not very good in makeup, who maybe doesn't like a lot of makeup. So if you are one of those people, these are the trends for you. You can still do the trendy makeup, but look put together, not overdone. So the first one, and that will be trendy every season, is perfect skin. When your skin is perfect, to begin with, when your skin is pretty much in a good condition, with good undertone, with a very healthy glow, any makeup will look good on you, but even if you don't wear makeup, that will be already a statement. The other one is wedding vibe makeup, and that's very interesting because wedding makeup is the most romantic makeup that you can only imagine, and nowadays a lot of wedding makeup artists, they do very dark makeup. They actually showcase a lot of bold looks for brides, and that has place to be. But wedding vibe this season is basically going to be this very romantic boho style, like wedding bridal makeup. The next one is a blushed lip, and you actually can see it on me right now. I am liking this trend. I am doing it for a couple of seasons already, and it's a very good way to make your lips appear bigger without overlining them, without anybody seeing that they are overlined. It's basically the technique where you apply a little bit of lipstick on the center of your lip and then you blend it with your finger in a way where you don't really see an exact contour of the lip. And this type of lip application can be either in the matte or in a glossy finish. So with the glossy, you probably will have to apply matte at first and then apply gloss on top of it. The next one is a bright pastel lip. Get all of your bright eyeshadows out and apply it all over the movable eyelid and blend it a little bit so it doesn't have the edge. Lavender color is really great this season. Any purple is basically one of the most trendy colors right now. Pink, green is very in right now, so you can put green eyeshadow all over the eyelid and that's going to be really trendy. So next one is curled eyelashes. Get all of your curlers out if you have them. Make sure that the rubber part in the curler is new or barely used, because if it's very used, it actually can break your eyelashes. And start curling your eyelashes. The curled eyelashes are very in this season. The next trend is neon eyeliner. And neon colors are really in right now in clothes, but neon eyeliner you can apply on top of your eyelid without any eyeshadow and make maybe a little cat eye with it, or just apply it along your eyelash line, and it's gonna look really nice and pretty. The next one is Clumpy Eyelashes, and I know a lot of us don't like it. Me personally, I don't like clumpy eyelashes, but if you want to be trendy and if you don't really want to do any color on your eyes, you can actually apply mascara on your eyes and with your fingers actually make them clumpy by like attaching several of them together. And the last one, it's more of a coordination trend. So when you coordinate your nail color with your lip color, you can do that, and that will be really nice and fresh and trendy. Those were the makeup trends for spring 2018. The trend that anybody can actually use. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Please voice your opinion about what you just heard in your comments, and subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.